Sometimes in life, we say, I will do it tomorrow. Sometimes we think, there is still time. What's the hurry? But tomorrow does not always come. Every day we waste in delay is a day we never get back. Time is like water in your hand. If you don't hold it carefully, it slips away. Today's story is about a young boy who learned the value of time in a very unusual way. This is not just a story, it is a mirror for all of us. In a busy town, there lived a boy named Arjun. He was kind, friendly, and had big dreams, but he had one bad habit. He always delayed things. When his mother asked him to study, he said, later. When his father told him to help at work, he said, tomorrow. When his teacher gave homework, he said, I'll do it soon. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months, but Arjun never changed. He wanted success, but he never used his time properly. One evening, Arjun's father sat beside him and said, son, time is life. If you waste time, you waste your life. But Arjun only smiled and replied, don't worry, father. I still have many years ahead. I'll work hard later. The father sighed. He loved his son, but he was worried. He thought, if Arjun does not change, he will lose every chance life gives him. In the same town, there was an old man who made clocks. Everyone called him the clockmaker. People respected him because he was wise and honest. One day, Arjun's father went to the clockmaker and said, my son is wasting his life. Can you help him? The clockmaker smiled. Bring him to me tomorrow morning, he said. Next morning, Arjun and his father went to the clockmaker's shop. The shop was full of clocks, big clocks, small clocks, wall clocks, pocket watches. The ticking sound was everywhere, tick-tock, tick-tock. The clockmaker showed Arjun a very old clock. It was golden, shining, and beautiful, but inside the pendulum moved slowly. This, said the old man, is not a normal clock. It is the clock of life. Every tick of this clock is a moment of your life. Once the hand moves, it never comes back. Arjun laughed. It's just a clock. The clockmaker looked deep into his eyes. No, my boy, this clock will teach you a lesson. Take it home. But remember, if you waste time, this clock will remind you in its own way. Arjun was curious. He agreed and carried the clock home. The next morning, Arjun planned to study. But as usual, he said, later. He sat to play games instead. Suddenly, the golden clock struck loudly. Not tick-tock, but a deep, heavy sound. Boom, boom, boom. Arjun was shocked. The sound echoed in his head, almost like a warning. He tried to ignore it, but the strange noise continued until he opened his book. He was frightened. For the first time, he studied without delay. A few days later, Arjun's school announced a competition. The prize was a scholarship, something that could change his future. But Arjun thought, I'll prepare tomorrow. There's still time. He wasted the whole week. On the day of the competition, he was unprepared. He felt nervous, blank, and failed badly. That night, the golden clock struck again, this time louder, sharper, almost like a cry. Arjun covered his ears, but he couldn't escape the sound. Tears came to his eyes. He realized, I failed, not because I was unlucky, but because I wasted my time. The next day, Arjun went back to the clockmaker. With tears in his eyes, he said, please tell me how to change. I don't want to waste my life anymore. The clockmaker smiled kindly. My child, success is not in big actions. Success is in small daily choices. Respect your time. Do what you must without delay. Remember, gold, money, and power can be taken away, but lost time never returns. He handed Arjun a small note. On it were 3 rules. 1. Do it now. 2. Value every moment. 3. Let your results speak for you. From that day, Arjun changed. When his teacher gave homework, he did it the same evening. When his father asked for help, he did it without waiting. When his friends wasted hours gossiping, Arjun politely left and worked on his dreams. At first, people laughed. They said, "Arjun has become too serious." But slowly his results spoke for him. His grades improved. His teachers praised him. His father felt proud. And most importantly, Arjun felt happy and confident. The golden clock no longer struck loudly. It ticked softly like music, as if blessing him for his discipline. Months later, another competition was announced at school. This time, Arjun prepared every day. He practiced, he studied, he managed his time wisely. On the competition day, he stood tall, ready, and confident. When he answered the questions, everyone was surprised. He spoke clearly, and he won first prize. The scholarship was his. When he went home, he placed the medal beside the golden clock. For the first time, the clock struck gently, ding, as if congratulating him. Arjun's life changed because he learned one simple truth. Time is the most valuable treasure. Gold can be earned, money can be replaced, but time, once lost, never returns. In life, we all face the same choice. Either we respect time and rise, or we waste time and fall. If you want to change your life, remember Arjun's 3 rules. Do it now. Value every moment. Let your results speak louder than your words. My friends, ask yourself today, what are you delaying? What dream are you pushing to tomorrow? Don't wait, start today. Because tomorrow is not promised, but today is in your hands. If this story inspired you, give it a like and share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more motivational English stories. Remember, time waits for no one.